What's up, everybody? Thanks for checking out my channel. My name is Doug. I do reviews mainly on electronics such as cameras, mics, computers, and I also do reviews and installations on different things I buy for my vehicles. But anything I review or install, there will almost always be a link down in the description of where you can buy it. I might also occasionally post some family fun type of thing, but alright, I'm not going to take up any more of your time, so I hope you enjoy the video. What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be starting on the evap system on my 06 Avalanche. Starting with this guy today. Coming in from the side of my truck, past the spare. You can see it right up in there. Attempt to do this one-handed, but it looks like you just take your flathead, pry this up a little bit. So all I did was pry this up with a flathead just a little bit and then just wiggled it right off. It came off really easy, actually. On the other side you got a wire and that hose that we have to take off still. So I'm going to take those off. Oh, I can get to a good spot. So this guy. It just pops right off. So I couldn't really do it on camera. I couldn't use two hands, but you can see this, hold on. This little tab right there and this little tab right there. So both of those you have to like put the screwdriver in and push them down while you're pulling this guy out. Then it pops right out. That's that. Take it up, open it up, see how dirty it is. Yeah, it's not terrible. It's a cobweb, like a spider web inside of that one. That's different. Here's my exhaust. That's where I dumped it. Some people were wondering. Rear axle dump. It's the little Cherry Bomb Extreme. Used to be red. That red paint don't last long. A little bit right there, but alright. Now, let's get this new one back up in here. Well, maybe I can fit my arm past the camera. So this guy, push it. So it clicks. That should be on there enough. This guy. Plug her in. Okay. This here. Line that back up. Almost there. This one seems a lot tighter. I think that's it. Right, that's on. I do have a new heater hose to run off that right there, to run it all the way up front, and then the vent runs up right through here, which goes all the way up to where you fill under your gas cap. Alright. Pretty sure the rest of it's pretty good. So there's the new guy. Quick check. Okay, so it was showing up a Titan fuel cap. We'll see if that fixed it. The only problem is sometimes it takes a good 10 minutes before it pops up and says Titan fuel cap, but well, check washer fluid. That's new. So everything I used in this video, there will be a link down in the description of where you can purchase it. Even the camera that I'm using right now, because I know a lot of people are wondering like what camera to use to get into tight places, like down back behind the motor and up under the car like that and everything, especially one that shoots in 4K like this. But yeah, there will be a link down in the description for the camera, for, well, everything I just did to my truck. Probably not the flathead screwdriver though. Yeah, go ahead and hit that thumbs up if this helped in any way, and go ahead and subscribe if you'd like to stay up to date on more of my videos like this. And I also have an Equinox that I'm going to be doing stuff to here soon. And yeah, leave me a comment to let me know anything you guys are having problems with on your vehicles that need replaced and can't figure out how to do it and don't want to pay a mechanic to do it. Then go ahead and leave a comment and I'll see. I mean, even if it's not broken on my truck, I might go through the steps of how to do it. I might even replace it if I'm bored enough, just to get some more videos on my channel. But yeah, just let me know, and well, hope this helped. Have a nice day.